Okay, this is a video on Pythagorean Theorem that I'm calling video 1A because it's a basic Pythagorean Theorem question. The only difference is they're giving you a root for one of the known sides. So let's go ahead and do this. Alright, so we have a right triangle x, y, and z where x is the square root of 27, so I guess we can just put the square root of 27 right next to the x. Y is 3, so we can put the 3 under the y, and the question is, what is z? So z, the hypotenuse, is what we're being asked to find. So the Pythagorean theorem starts off with a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So a, we know, is the square root of 27 squared plus 3 squared equals c squared. Oh, in this case, that's z. So I guess we could call that z squared. Alright, so now when we go to simplify this, the square root of 27 squared looks really kind of intimidating, but it's actually very easy. Because anytime you have a square root and a square, they're inverse operations. That means they cancel each other out. So the square root of 27 squared is 27. I hardly know anything. So now how about 3 though? 3 squared is easy, but you actually have to know that 3 times 3 is 9. And z squared is z squared. So now we're going to go ahead and add 27 and 9. 7 plus 9 is 16, carry the 1. So we end up with 36 equals z squared. So z then is equal to the square root of 36. You take the square root to both sides to get rid of the square. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at our answer choices and see if we can figure out what the correct answer choice is without actually even knowing that the square root of 36 is 6. Is the square root of 36 the square root of 30? No. So A is gone. Excuse me. Is the square root of 36 0? No. So B is gone. Is the square root of 36 the square root of 24? No. D is gone. The only possible answer that could be right is C is 6. And since 6 times 6 is 36, the square root of 36 is 6.